The only version of Windows, that is Windows 10, is being sold out for a free upgrade and is also available for $200 for the licensed copy. However, the Microsoft is not getting in a loss and is probably getting more than enough benefit. But for a while, it has introduced the built-in advertising functionality in Windows 10, which could be done for monetizing purposes only. All these sudden ads that appear in Windows makes it disgusting while you are using it, and users would also not like it at all. And there is no such function or feature directly available to block these ads. So that's why I am here, and today in this video I'll show you how to disable all Windows 10's built-in advertising. So let's go. Disable lock screen ads. Head to the settings, then personalization, then lock screen, and there set the background to pictures or slideshow rather than the spotlight. Stop suggested apps ads in start menu. Head to the settings, then personalization, then start, and there set the occasionally show suggestions in start to off. Disable tips. Head to the settings, then system, then notifications and actions, and from there disable the get tips and tricks and suggestions as you use Windows option. Vanish get office notifications. Head to the settings, then system, then notifications and actions, and from there scroll to the option get office app and hence set it to off. Prefer to search for the get office in the start menu and uninstall it from there. Uninstall automatically installed games. Simply locate the apps for such games in the start menu and from there right click on this and hence select the uninstall option. Disable live tiles and unpin Windows apps. Right click on the apps with the live tiles and hence select the more option. From there disable the live tile functionality. You could also try to remove the tile or unpin for the whole correction. These live tile apps pretend to show the ads, so better remove this or disable live tile function. Remove ads from the Windows Ink workspace. Well, for those who don't know, Windows 10 includes its own suggested apps section in the Windows Ink workspace. The section advertises pen-enabled apps which are already available on the Windows Store. These do nothing apart from consuming your resources. So you can disable the option from settings, then devices, then pen and Windows Ink, and then turn off the show recommended app suggestion option. So that's all for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to check our website www.techgadget7.com.